Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to find the length of an angled line. And I said in that video that I don't know of any way that you could change the length to a certain distance. But once you have your parallel dimension tool marked, you can grab just your line. And if you see here, I've got a control curve on layer 1 versus control text. So I've got the line, and I'm just going to stretch the line out. And I don't know if you need a particular, I'm still working on a way of mathematically you could figure that out, using this right here. But it would all depend on the angle, but you could tweak this. And I think even with the shape tool, you could click on this line, and if your nudge distance is quite little, you can nudge it back and forth. Let's make our nudge distance quite a bit smaller, 0.001. And this is kind of unorthodox, but it would work. And I'm going to go one arrow click to the left and then one to the right, and just keep toggling like that. And you can see that I'm changing the numbers minutely, but you'd have to go equal amount. And this, I think, would only work at this, because I think this line is actually a 45-degree angle. So let's just kind of test it here. I need to get a 2-point line and hold down the control button. Start moving it, then hold down the control button. Put it on your line, and you should be able to snap to object. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And with your pick tool, grab that line and put it right there. And you can see the rotation is 0. Let's rotate it from that area. So let's double click on it and put it on that node. Let's rotate it at a 45-degree angle. And then you do have a 45-degree angle. So the nudge would work in this case. If you have to keep the angle at the same angle, I don't know that the nudge is going to help you. Let's just do this real quick. Parallel dimension tool, click on that node, and you've got 9.92. We're going to take our shape tool, grab our line, and I'm going to go right click, left click, right click, and we're going to change it to like 30. But is it still at a 45-degree angle? That would be the question. And see, it's not. Now it's at a 29-degree angle because we nudged it one direction. Let's just double check that. And I was thinking 2-point line, you could start from there, hold down the control button, double click on it, move your rotation in that corner, and turn it into a 45-degree angle. And well, you know what? I didn't start at 45 on that case. That's right. Let's see. Let me back up here. Okay, we're at 730. We're going to make that angle 30 degrees so it's easier to read. Let's zoom in here. We're at 930. Let's say I wanted the line to be 931. Click on that node, and you're at 931. But now you're at an angle still 30. So it might work in a minute little aspect if you needed to get that line to a certain length minutely. Let's go to 35. Let's see what happens. 9.35. And now let's check our angle of our line. And it's still at 30 degrees, so it works. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.